A warm, fluffy egg bite is the perfect meal on the go, packed with protein and savory flavor. And because it is so easy and convenient to make, it will also become one of your favorite breakfast meal prep recipes. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel where I am showing you healthy versions of the foods that we love. And today, you guys, this fluffy egg bite is going to be perfect for those of us that have really hectic, crazy schedules. We are trying to get additional protein in our diet. And we also want to start using healthier ingredients such as the whole foods. And this recipe is packed with all of those things. The beauty of it is that it will actually work for so many different diets, whether it's keto, low carb, high protein, Mediterranean. And that is because it's using all whole foods, you guys. We've got the eggs. We're also using fresh veggies and we're using healthy fat. So without further ado, you guys, let's get right into this recipe. Okay, in our mixing bowl, we already have our eggs. I've just got one more to crack. And I have a tendency to crack my eggs in a separate container before I add it to the mix. And that is because I want to make sure there's no shells in it. And I also want to make sure that the egg is actually good. Let's go ahead and start whisking these eggs. Now that the yolks are broken up, let's go ahead and add in our healthy fat. And that being a smooth and creamy cottage cheese, you guys. I absolutely adore this ingredient in my recipes, the sweet as well as the savory. And in order to get it smooth and creamy, what you do is you put it in your blender or your NutriBullet, which is what I have, blend it for a few seconds, and then that will remove all of the curds. And proceed to whisk this until these ingredients are combined. Okay, that looks great. To this, we're going to add our seasoning. And today, I'm just using two simple seasonings. I'm using some salt and some cracked black pepper. Combine. Now, our egg batter is ready. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring over our baking container, which is a muffin pan, you guys. And then we are going to proceed to spray some nonstick cooking spray in here, layer in our eggs, and then layer in the ingredients of choice. In my recipe today, I'm going to be using 3 toppings. I'm using some scallions, chopped spinach, and some shredded cheddar cheese. Now, this recipe is so versatile, you guys. The sky's the limit. You add in the toppings that you love. And just for some examples, you can use mushrooms, you can use kale, you can use a different type of cheese if you don't want cheddar. You can actually use a feta or a goat cheese. You can use sun-dried tomatoes. So that way, you guys, you will never get bored with this recipe because you can always add in those different ingredients. Even some peppers will be delicious in this. So that way, this week you do one version of the recipe and next week you can do something completely different. And whichever way you go, you guys, you will still end up with a very healthy, high protein meal. I preheated my oven to 375 degrees. Let's go ahead and add evenly, about 3/4 of the way full, this egg mixture to these muffin cups. Okay, that is about even. I'm gonna set this aside. Now let's go ahead and add in our toppings. So I've got some chopped spinach here. And if you don't use all of it, you guys, you know what you do? You wrap it up and put it in the fridge for next time. Next, our green onions. And this will give us a nice savory bite. And last, our shredded cheddar cheese. And this is ready for our oven. And it's gonna be, there we go, you guys. That's the oven. And these are gonna bake for approximately 20 minutes or until a toothpick in the center comes out clean. And when I return, you guys, I am going to show you an alternative container that you can actually make these in. I'll be right back. What you can use to make these muffin bites in is the silicone mold. It actually comes in, well, the ones that I purchased comes in a 3-inch size as well as a 4-inch size. And the reason why I love them is because it actually does look more like a muffin top or a bite because they're flatter. And I actually made like these muffin bites the other day. Instead of a meal prep, it was just a meal that I wanted to eat over the weekend. Very, very simple, you guys. I took 2 eggs and then I put my ingredients in it, non-stick cooking spray, and I think the 2 eggs for the 3-inch size, I need to use 3 compartments. Put those in there, bake them for about 20 minutes, took them out, let them cool a little bit. Absolutely delicious. So this is definitely a viable alternative to the muffin tin. And I will leave the link in my description where I purchased these from on Amazon. I just wanted to show this to you. When they bake, they will definitely puff up. As a matter of fact, as I'm standing here, they are starting to deflate. So what you want to do is just want to simply get a spatula, which I'll get one in a second. Yeah, like I said, they're starting to deflate. So what you want to do is get a spatula and just gently press it back into the cup. No big deal, you guys. Just like that. See that? Oh, sorry. Kind of hold it and maneuver this in, just like that. I am such a fan of this recipe. It is quick, easy, convenient, absolutely delicious. It's so versatile because once again, once you get your base recipe, which for me was the eggs along with that creamy cottage cheese, then the additions it's up to your liking and your choosing. You can even put some cooked bacon in it, either the pork bacon, which we don't do pork, but you can also do a high protein turkey bacon as well, you guys, along with these veggies. Absolutely phenomenal is this recipe. So you guys, if you want to learn how to cook other healthier versions of the foods that you love, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. I want to thank you all so very much for being here, and if you enjoyed this recipe and this video, please do remember to give it a like, and also if you know anyone that would benefit from what we are doing here on this channel, then please do share my channel with them as well. And also remember to press that subscribe button below, because that's how Al knows that you are enjoying what I'm doing here, and YouTube will continue to spread my channel, and that's how I grow. I want to thank you all so very much for your support. And remember, you guys, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special, and enjoy.